Please stand by for a broadcast from the National Emergency Warning System. Please stand by for a broadcast from the National Emergency Warning System. Please stand by for a broadcast from the National Emergency Warning System. This is an emergency warning. Information about possible black hole have been received from the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. The current threat level is emergency warning, meaning that emergency is taking place, and you should do actions to ensure your safety. Few hours ago NASA has detected a black hole that is heading towards the solar system. Its existence has also been confirmed, and its impact on our solar system is now being estimated. It is observed to see if it poses a threat to our solar system, and what its trajectory is. Ensure access to a radio receiver, Wi-Fi, or TV for further updates, which will be issued as we receive new information about black hole. Please stand by. This is an emergency update. Informations about black hole have been received. The black hole has begun to swallow the solar system, and will likely engulf our planet, Earth, in the next 1 hour. You will likely be sucked in the black hole by the process of the spaghettification, where you will be stretched into a long stream of particles when you enter the event horizon. It is not known whether this process is painful or not. The black hole is now consuming Neptune, and it will probably consume entire solar system. We are sorry, but there is nothing we can do to keep you safe. Embrace your loved ones, do anything what makes you comfortable, pray to your deity or deities. Suicide is allowed, but we advise against doing so, if you have a child. Please don't tell them about this situation, it will make them more stressful in their final moments. Do not panic, and try to keep calm, despite the situation where we find ourselves on. Death will come quickly. This is the final activation of the emergency warning system, and we will sign off with our national anthem. The government thanks you for your cooperation and participation. Please stand by.